Hello trader, I'm going to do a complete multi-time frame analysis on EURJPY. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity currently we have in this instrument. Now from the lower time frame, we can see that EURJPY currently showing significant trading opportunity. Now before we discuss how we can trade, first let's look at bigger picture, looking at the monthly time frame to see overall direction in the market. Now from the monthly, we have seen that this is the monthly candle closed on EURJPY with a strong hanging man. Now this hanging man formed in a very important monthly resistance level. If we extend this level, we can see that this is where the neckline of this monthly level, support here, the same level acted here as a resistance in that zone, and from that resistance we saw that EURJPY started to drop. Now if we look at the overall picture, we can see that EURJPY, this is a long term uptrending market structure, form this narrow hanging man on top of this resistance, giving a very high probability for EURJPY to continue to drop to create a new lower low. Now if we look at the weekly time frame, we can see that from the weekly perspective, previous week there is a long week candle on EURJPY where it is a weakless candle, and in that zone we saw that the price, after reaching that resistance zone, EURJPY had a strong rejection towards the downside. As there is a long week here, as the price is rejecting, then we could see that EURJPY breaking to the downside to create a new lower low to fill that long week on the weekly time frame, and we could see that the price coming down, filling that long week to create a new lower low. Now if we look at the daily time frame, we can see that from the daily perspective, this is the resistance zone on the daily, and on that resistance the price every time reaching that level creating series of lower high. Now with that series of lower high, we have seen there is a strong rejection whenever the price is reaching that, creating series of lower high and showing potential rejection to the downside. Now after previous days candle which has a healthy body and also long wick at the bottom, we could see that EURJPY coming down filling that week, and to probably we could see that highly likely EURJPY coming down to create a new lower low. Now if we look at further lower time frame from the intraday perspective, we see that EURJPY grab liquidity multiple times. Now this is a textbook head and shoulder on the 4 hour time frame, which we see this head, left shoulder and the right shoulder, and both in this head and shoulder we saw that multiple times the price gathered liquidity is the sign that EJ may continue to drop to create a new lower low. And with the drop, as we see that the price consolidated for a long time, we might see a change of trend on EURJPY. And in the first move, we can expect the price come back to this support level. And we see that the price is forming potentially a channel that is potentially bearish. As we see the price is rejecting from that level, we can expect now EURJPY to come back to this support level, and this is where we are waiting for an entry opportunity. As we see, there is already a strong breakdown. The price is retesting this support on the lower time frame as a resistance. As soon as we will find suitable entry in that area, according to the rules of our strategies, we will consider going short with a high probability trade setup with our students. Now, if you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button and also leave a comment below to support this idea. Thank you. I'll see you soon in my next analysis.